Next, we want to calculate the returns from the price data. What you need to do first is organize your data in one spreadsheet. I just copy paste the date, the adjusted growth of RHC, adjusted growth of Woolworth, and adjusted growth of CBA, and the adjusted growth of all ordinary in one spreadsheet. You need to pay attention to the in the downloaded data. All ordinary goes from newest to oldest, while the others from the oldest to newest. You need to reverse the order to get a proper dated data together. So to calculate the returns, we use the formula, the price of today minus the price of previous month divided by the price of previous month. This will be the monthly return of RHC. Then if you check the formula here, you calculate, this will be the return of Woolworth, this will be the return of CBA, this will be the return, the market return of all ordinaries. So when we drag the formula down, then these are all calculated returns. Yeah. So we need to name this, and these we copy this and name this in a way saying, yeah, we put, instead of adjusted, we just use R for return. Yeah. And this is the calculation of returns. And what we also need to do, we need to calculate the summary statistic or the numerical measures of the returns. So we need to calculate the average and the standard deviation. So average, how do we calculate average? Average is just write average, then we select the returns of RHC. So, and this is our average return of RHC. Yeah. If I check the formula here, this will be average return of Woolworth, average return of CBA, and average return, average market return of all ordinaries. Yeah. So this is average, or we call it mean. The other is a standard deviation. Standard deviation, how do we calculate? So we do it in the same way. STDEV dot S. Yeah. And then I need to choose the data. So data for RHC here. And this is the standard deviation of RHC. And then I check the formula. This will be the standard deviation of Woolworth, of CBA, and marked standard deviation. So we stop here.